I'm medical engineer in Hämeenlinna, which is 100 kilometers north from Helsinki. And we have 14 operation rooms and 10,000 operations in 1 year. And my main job is operating room maintenance, and that's how I got main user job also. We have had that since 2009. We were second in the world to take that on production. And basically, that's hard question because Centricity has been always in there when I have been. But biggest benefit is that we get information from the equipment, and all the medical data is same place, and it can be fast found. The main reason for that presentation is that we are trying to improve updating things, and we have some solution which might help all the people to do updating a little easier.